If you encounter any issues using the QR code or accessing the link provided in your email, you can manually install your ProSIM. After purchasing your ProSIM, you'll receive an email with detailed installation instructions. Before proceeding with the installation, verify your phone is on the latest software version and Wi-Fi is enabled. To begin, open the Settings app on your iPhone and select Cellular. Next, tap Add ProSIM, then choose Use QR Code. You will see an option at the bottom of your screen labeled Enter Details Manually. Selecting this will bring you to the next screen. You can visit my.phone.com. Click on My Settings. Press the arrow next to your ProSIM status and select the Manual Installation option to generate the required details. Once the information is submitted, the activation will begin. Please allow a few minutes for the process to complete. Once your setup is finished, a confirmation page will appear on your screen. Please watch our next video on how to configure your ProSIM.